World, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, depending on where in the world you are coming at us from. This is it, y'all. DTTV coming at you live today. We're in Manzini, the hub of the Kingdom of Eswatini, and we're chilling here at Dazzling Deco. This is their warehouse. They were kind enough to open their doors and let us in so we can do this thing right here. And as you can see next to me, I got this lovely, pretty little lady by the name Symphony, who is dressed by Dazzling Boutique.
Yes.
Oh, stunning.
How stunning am I? I just
Stunning. Oh, yeah, stunning.
And
Let them. Nailed it, nailed it, nailed it. Yeah. So Eswatini is about to go down in a couple of minutes. We're going to be enjoying the beautiful music of Symphony. This here live stream comes to you courtesy of Daniel Toro Photography, aka DT. We do have Evolve Studios in the building, Prime Digital, and of course, after the show, you will see these beautiful images or pictures online, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and this is courtesy of Daniel Shaq Dlamini. Shout out, of course, once again to Momond Electrical, who also came through today and said, you know, there has been a trend where every time we are doing a live stream, we usually get power cuts. They were like, no more. No more. We are coming in to make sure that you guys don't ever have to experience that ever again. So thank you guys very much for choosing to be with us this evening. You could have been anywhere in the world, wide web, but you're here with us and we appreciate that. So let's get straight to it. If you've got any questions, comments, queries that you want to ask Symphony, or you just want to ask about the music industry in the Kingdom of Eswatini in general, throw them in the comment section below. Symphony, hello.
Hi.
How you doing, girl?
I'm good. How are you?
Non grand, mama.
Awesome.
Yeah, you're looking like the usual. The usual.
Yes. Yes. The usual. Yes. I always look good, even if I do say so myself.
Oh snap! Okay. I know. Kosi is watching. Kosi Shabalala. So who did your makeup today?
I did it myself.
Ooh, snap! Okay, okay. Drops mic. And then tell us a little bit about the dress, though. The dress is just fire flame emoji.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I am dressed by Dazzling Boutique, as you said.
Yeah.
Wow. Paid partnership.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
You know, celebrity
amazing.
things, paid partnership.
Yes. I just love it, man.
Yeah.
I just love
yeah.
it. I love everything about it. It's got this 3D thing going on.
You know what I mean? Like
It's
I'm trying to see what is going on. I'm trying to see what's painted and what's.
I know, right? I don't know, but it just looks good. I'm like,
absolutely stunning.
this on, yeah.
Custom made, fitted, and everything.
no, I just fit in good things. Like, look good, like young nail.
Okay, you know what? Can we just end this interview? I'm done with this child. Next. Okay, Symphony. Let's get straight to it, ma. How are you doing? Like, how are you doing? Like, for real?
Yeah,
Hi, Lo. Hi, how are you? I'm fine.
Yes,
hi,
no,
Lo.
for real.
No, for real.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Okay, I'm doing okay.
Yeah.
I think we're all hanging in there.
Yeah.
We all have never experienced this thing that's going on right now.
Yeah.
We won't say man go yeah, or whatever. No,
Yeah.
because we're like, wow, what's going on? And the
Yeah.
numbers are increasing all the time.
Yeah.
And we're just, people of faith like us, we're just trusting God. We'll see, yeah, this thing will pass and you know things will be okay. But I'm fine. I'm okay. And just hoping we'll see it passes and we're able to do life normally. But yeah, it's just all about being hopeful and keeping positive.
I love that, being hopeful and keeping positive. So what are some of the things that you are doing to maintain some sort of sanity? I know we are in a very insane time and space.
Yeah.
So even Nalil Kamala, sanity is very relative.
Yeah.
But what are you doing to maintain some sort of sanity?
Honestly, I've been using this time to just be with myself,
Sure.
you know, because I think that when we're busy and everything's going, you know, on and whatever, you're going, you're coming back, you're
Traveling, you're
all
performing, you're in studio creating, all of that. Yeah.
Exactly. You know, we forget to give ourselves time, quality time with yourself, and just, you know, get to know you, love you.
Yeah.
And I think that's when you discover a whole lot more things about you that you can offer to people. So I've been just, you know, with myself and just doing that and just writing more. I think when you're, you know, behind closed doors and, you know, it's quiet and everything, you're able to, you know, take out what is inside you. And just writing more and just thinking about, you know, doing other things outside of music. I think a person can do a whole lot of things, you know, when it was in their one thing and stuff like that. So just learning new skills, piano,
Speaking of doing different things, I love that you're bringing that in. I saw on Facebook and Instagram this week, Mandisa Mamba, R&B singer, is now also like selling the scented candles. You know, I just love seeing artists now just like sort of like venturing into other things, into different things as well. What is I know that there's something that you are also doing in terms of like art and craft, you know, the stuff that you're actually putting together that is just outside of you being a creative in the music space.
Okay, so I've been doing this really pretty crowns. I think you've been seeing people wearing these gold crowns or whatever and stuff like that. So I think an artist is called an artist for a reason because they're just artsy and they're So with my hands I can do that. I can do makeup. I can do a whole lot of things. Just with my hands,
All right.
Hair.
Okay.
So but what I've been I want to get into business. So but then we're just keeping that under wraps. And then this year I got, you know, to register my NGO.
All right.
Yes, I'm really proud of that. But then, you know, because it's COVID and all those things, you know, we're just waiting to be able to do certain things because we want to do things differently and stuff like that. But I'm really proud of myself for that and my management. And
Great stuff. We're out here chilling with the songstress, super songbird, the super duper fly, Symphony. We are at Dazzling Deco. They are found in Manzini, opposite the Standard Bank Manzini business branch. In case you ever need anything for your private and corporate business decorations, this is the place to be at. You can see all these nice things around us. It's all courtesy of Dazzling Deco. So you need to check them out.
Yeah, sure.
All right, Symphony. In a bit, we're going to be going straight into the music. Hello, pretty, precious Zigalala. Welcome to the show. Thank you very much. Who's looking good? Symphony or me?
Me or KrTC? No, it's pretty obvious. Come on.
I don't know. There's nothing obvious here. Looking good.
Thank you.
I'll accept it. I'll take
well,
it.
we're saying thank you.
All right, Symphony. There are some things or some events or some business opportunities that were, let me say, cancelled or postponed by the Rona.
The Rona.
I know you had a number of international trips lined up. You had a trip to Barcelona.
Canada.
You had a trip to Canada.
Yeah.
But was it last year where you went to Portugal? And then you went to... where else? Where else did you go? I know you've been on the road. No, sorry. My bad. Correct myself. You've been in the air. Because you know. Levels, boss.
Yes.
But yeah, so tell me, because this is we're out here having a real conversation. How did that make you feel? The fact that you had these trips lined up and then you actually had to either postpone them or cancel them. How does that make you feel, and how have you dealt with that?
It really made me feel bad because, you know, when the year starts out, you want to outdo yourself. But we'll see, okay, last year I did this, and this coming year I'm going to do more. So, you know, when the year starts up, you put in that muscle. You know, there are more connections, you speak to more people and all those things. And it was just all set. I even have I have my Canadian visa. It's done.
Hey.
I was.
You're ready. You were ready. Yeah. You're ready.
You know, but then this happened. I was so, heartbroken.
Sure.
Because we live for this, you know.
This is it. This is exactly
for
what
us,
we,
this is it. So
Yeah.
it was like, okay, wow, we were stuck in our houses and we can't move, and you know, when we don't work, we don't get paid. It's
Yeah.
not like manje
Yeah.
like no,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
nothing,
Yeah.
yabo. So it was really, really, really bad. But then you tell yourself, I always say manje, the mind is so powerful.
Yeah.
It starts here.
Yeah.
Once Valence, you cancel everything and you like everything is just doom in here.
Yeah.
Everything will just
Fall
be
apart.
like that.
Yeah.
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 But once you cancel yourself, you tell yourself, go get it in. It is what it is. It's bad, and it's only I'm not the only one that's going through it.
Sure.
Everyone else
Sure.
is. In fact, this time the whole world is.
Yeah,
There's so many
absolutely.
people that wanted to do so many things, but they couldn't. Just be grateful, go to you're alive. I mean, there are people that are gone now. They
Yeah.
didn't think Manja
Yeah.
that'd be gone. There's so many families that are affected. I feel like there's so much we should be grateful for instead of looking at all the things that, you know, like this patagabi and
Yeah.
stuff. We have so much to be grateful for.
Absolutely.
We're
Absolutely.
so blessed. I mean, we're breathing, we're healthy, we're good in this time.
In this time,
Man,
yeah.
that's a blessing.
Absolutely.
And then COVID happened and they're gone, they're not here.
Yeah.
You know, it's someone's parent, it's a breadwinner,
Yeah.
it's someone that was sponsoring you. It's you know, but
Yeah.
you are in one piece. And I chose to look at those things and be like, oh God, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And that on its own kept me going.
Oh.
So yeah.
I love it. I love it. I love it. And Pretty Precious Zigalala has come in to clarify. She's saying our lovely guest, obviously. Ooh.
Thank you.
All right, all right. So I think we're just about ready to have Symphony jump on stage and do what she does best, and that is to sing, because that is why we set up a platform like this one right here. We're just trying to make sure that even though we are still behind the doors in our houses, let's keep the fire burning, let's keep the music going, and let's bring it to you in the safety and comfort of your home. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, it's all thanks to Prime Digital, Evolve Studios. Director Lunga is in the background making sure that everything is nice and fresh coming at you. And of course, thank you once again to Momond Electrical for hooking us up with a backup power to make sure that we don't have any unnecessary power cuts out here. And Daniel Toro of DTTV. Special shout out, of course, to Uncle Cully of Platinum Concepts. Now that we're going into the music, you'll see all the lovely gadgets and all the lovely instruments and musical enhancement that you see for the show is brought to you by Platinum Concept. Symphony, pick a camera, and I think your camera is the one over there.
Yes.
I need you to look at the camera and speak from your heart to young women in the Kingdom of Eswatini, but also to artists and basically just to anybody out there, you know, who has a dream like you, and who has plans or dreams to pursue their dream like you. So I think it's that camera over there. Speak from your head and speak from your heart.
I'd like to say to anyone, be it an artist or anyone that just has a dream, your dream is valid, your dream is you, and you need to own it. And I always believe that your dream is somewhere wandering, looking for you, so you need to run towards it. Just help your dream find you. We always say chase your dream, but I like to say help your dream find you. Your dream is looking for you. You're the only one that can do what you can do the way that you do. So trust yourself. We all took the risk, you know. For example, artists or music in Eswatini is still growing. We're not where everyone else around the world is. But we're like, you know what the heck? We're going to do it. It's fine. We're going to do it. And we've gotten to be with people that we never thought we'd be, to places we never thought we'd go, you know, to meetings where there are people, and I to go like, wow, how am I even here? How am I even here, you know?
Yeah.
And it's because of a dream, because of a gift. And I always say that, you know, you need to dedicate your plans to God. He's the one that makes everything possible. The breath that is in our lungs belongs to him. So you need to tell him, go to Yatisham, God, this is what I want to do, and please help me. He really will. He will come through. and just trust yourself. Trust yourself no matter what. Just know what's your thing. I can do this and I will. So that's what I can say.
Man, she spoke from the heart. She took it and she ran with it. Corsi S. Hello, 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 Corsi. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. She says, you look gorgeous, Symphony.
Thank you.
Oh, that is such a...
Thank you, yeah.
And some girl
I felt that, Corsi. I felt that.
felt that.
Yes.
Some girl says Symphony and her beautiful smile.
Thank
Fire
you.
flame emoji.
Thank
So,
you.
ladies and gentlemen, we're about to take a quick break, and when we come back from the break, we will go to the music. You have heard her head, you have heard her heart, but now we get to hear her voice. So, sit back, relax, don't go nowhere. We'll be right back with Symphony behind the mic. Let's get it. Hello Eswatini, hello world. My name is Tamsanga Sibanze, aka the Courtesy of Hip-Hop.
Hello everybody, Sanbonani, I'm Shelly.
For those of you who already know us through the Connect, and for those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome.
Now the Connect was really about taking a chance. We had already hosted a number of in-house events where we brought people together to learn skills and share ideas. We found this hugely valuable.
We always knew we wanted to continue to connect to our followers and listeners, but also to meet new people. And with everything being shut down, we thought this would be a great new way to connect.
Connecting to us is not just about being able to interface. It's a whole lot more. It's about allowing us to self-discover by sharing interesting information from the cognitive and behavioral science space.
Equipping ourselves with practical tools and approaches.
About growing awareness, informing each other, sharing our diverse stories and experiences.
Showcasing what it is that our nations have to offer, what individuals and organizations are doing on the ground, your unique impact.
Now, the situation we are in has in many ways leveled the playing field, given us a chance to stop, think, and do something.
To turn inwards as the outside has been closed off. An opportunity presents itself where we have a captive audience, giving us a chance to tell a story, our story.
Best practice is an important outlook to have today, but often we think that best practice means copy and paste, without considering context, culture, resources, flavor, color, and texture of our unique environment. We want to be able to look into our continent and share with the world what is happening here at home. Provide solutions, share thinking, and outlook from here to the world.
You are invited. We call on you to support us so that we can continue connecting on our platforms. Share with us what's going on in your place in the world, the continent, and further afield. We want to exchange ideas, learn from each other, and implement to build solutions that serve us, that are by us, for us.
And it's really very simple. All you need to do is connect with us, the Pacific Institute Swaziland. We are on YouTube and Facebook. And don't forget, we are live every Tuesday.
Peace, love, and happiness, and connect. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Courtesy of Hip-Hop. And on behalf of the director, Daniel Toro, and the team behind the scenes, we would just like to say thank you to everybody that's been tuning in since day one. We created this space so we can catch up with artists to find out what they're all about, plus to get some good music. We are available on Facebook and on YouTube. And if there's any artists that you'd like to see right here on DTTV, drop their name on the comments section below. See you on the next live stream of DTTV. Oh. This thing failed. And we're back. Once again, thank you very much to everybody who has tuned in to DTTV this evening. It's about to go down. As you can see around us now, we've got the band right here on the lid. Guitar, I've got my man Sibs in the city. Salute. On the saxophone, the mighty Zwile Soul. On keys, we've got my man Pumla, and we go all the way to the other side, the music director, the homie Big C's. And we'd like to welcome back to the team, the Bass Prince. How you doing, sir? Welcome back. Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how it's going down right here. Brought to you by Daniel Toro Photography in collaboration with Platinum Concepts and Sound, Evolve Studios, Prime Digital, and of course Momond Electrical. And we are coming at you from Dazzling Deco in Manzini, the hub of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, show your love, and welcome to the DTTV stage. This beautiful voice, I think I met her a couple of years ago. Was it T55 National Talent Search Competition? She made it all the way to the top 3? Top 5, somewhere there. But from then onwards, she just took it and flew with it. But here today, to dazzle you, ladies and gentlemen, everybody stream! And welcome, Symphony.
Thank you.
Waking up early every morning, working hard all those hours. You got no time for what really matters. You got no time for your own self. Waking up early every morning, working hard all those hours. You got no time for what really matters. You got no time for your own self. Come on, let's go. Hold up, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Give yourself a break, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Give yourself a break, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Give yourself a break, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Give yourself. Why you been too hard on yourself? Stressing over things you can't change. Always racing to the next moment. Stop, enjoy the one you're in right now. Why you been too hard on yourself? Stressing over things you can't change. Always racing to the next moment. Stop, enjoy the one you're in right now. Come on, hey, hold up, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Give yourself a break, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Give yourself a break, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Give yourself a break, darling. Slow down, take it easy. Unblock, you deserve it. Take it away, it's really, woo! so much. Shout out to Sims. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. Thank you so much. Hey. Woo. Yeah. Sometimes we hold ourselves back, caring, when we should let go. At some point, we need to free ourselves, let go of it all. Sometimes we hold our own selves back, caring, when we should let go. At some point, we need to free ourselves, let go of it all. Hey, can't tell me next something and move. Can't tell me next bamba in my kubu. Hey, can't tell me next good challenge. Yes, I'm. Hey, can't tell. Yes, she am going to rising from the ashes. I am putting on my crown right now, right here. I am choosing to change for me. I am rising from the ashes. I am putting on my crown right now, right here. I'm choosing to change for me. I'm a missing cattle, meaning something and move. Cattle, meaning bamba in my kubu. Hey, cattle, meaning good challenge. Yes, I'm. Hey, cattle, yes, she am going to pass. Break it down. Sinue, infotelo. Sinue, kokala. Sinue, ungatilwe, sinue, sinue, infotelo mai, sinue, na logo kala, sinue, ungatilwe, sinue, Yasugum, hey, Katse, young troll up a billy. Katse, Yasugum, young troll up a billy. Hi, Yasugum, young troll. Thank you so much, Lindy. Thank you, Zetu. You're amazing. Thank you so much. This next song is titled Hamba. A song about rising. Thank you, Telile. I feel the love. Voga penzi bambe. Uma voga penzi bambe. Uma uvangati am sakoni. Look inside of you, find your strength. Uma uvangati am sakoni. Look inside of you, find your strength. Hey, 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 hey. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid, no, no, no. Yeah. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps forward. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps forward. Ungesabe boy, you tell me, now it look like it. Ungakhona wena phela njena ungadethemba na ungadethemba yeqinisela hamba phikela la hamba uma wavuka phinda uyibambe yeqinisela hamba phikela la hamba uma wavuka phinda uyibambe bambe steps, yeah, yeah. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps, yeah, yeah. Hamba, 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 yeah. Hamba, hamba, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Yo, Gyashi Salana. It's too hard. It's really hard. Are we gonna take a break? No? Where's KrTC?
So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful, ever so lovely Miss Symphony, shutting it down right here on DTTV, because that's how we do all day, every day, twice on Sundays, but it's more especially on Thursday. Thank you to everybody that is tuned in. We see you, Buyi, Telile, Zetu. Thank you everybody that's online right now and just vibing with us and enjoying the beautiful music that is brought to you by Miss Symphony. She's about to come back and throw down her last song for the evening. But when she's done with that, I'm not going to come back. So we will say our goodbyes right now. Thank you so much for honoring us with your presence and for your patience. You know, we had a little technical glitch, but the superstar and professional that you are, you just keep it moving, because that's what you do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you to Daniel Toro of DT Photography and, of course, Uncle Kali, Platinum Concepts and Sound, for making sure that we are looking this fly. Dazzling Deco for all your weddings, bridal showers, baby showers, birthday parties, VIP parties, conferences, and corporate events. They got you. They are located in Manzini. This is behind Pick and Pay, right opposite the Standard Bank business office. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you to Daniel Sheikh Dlamini, who has been holding it down with the photography in the background. Evolve Studios, we appreciate you very much. And Prime Digital. Again, Momond Electrical for having our back, making sure that we don't have any power cut glitches during the show. From me, the courtesy of hip hop, it's peace, love, and happiness. Don't forget to follow your passion, follow your dream, because you never know where it could land you. We are in the space of COVID-19 right now, but as artists, we have decided to hold hands and just keep it moving either way. So we're coming at you from this live stream in your living room, wherever you are. Mfolozi, we see you. Tinumuzi, I see you as well, always representing and being with us right here. So, ladies and gentlemen, to shut the show down, once again, our guest for this evening, please welcome one more time, Symphony.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mfolozi. We see that. We're just going to sign out with DJ Mbo featuring Symphony and Madlalweni. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it, but we're still gonna, we're gonna do it. Thank you so much for streaming. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Shout out to Dazzling Decors for such a beautiful set. Dazzling Boutique for making me look lovely. Thank you so much. Jehovah ngomalosi wam angiwaswela lot for mine. Onglalise madlelweni lalohlata. Angiholele amandini ekuphumula. Yebo, yebo, yenunglalisa madlelweni lalohlata. Nice one, Pumla. We're going to do it again. Jehovah ngumalosi wam angiwaswela lot for mine. Yawunglalisa madlelweni lalohlata. Yebo, angiholele mandini ekuphumula. Onglalisa madlelweni lalohlata. Onglalisa madlelweni lalohlata. Onglalisa madlelweni lalohlata. Yenunglalisa madlelweni lalohlata. Onglalisa madlelweni lalohlata. Madlelweni lalisa madlelweni lalisa madlelweni lalisa madlelweni madlelweni lalisa madlelweni lalisa madlelweni. Thank you so much. Now we're going to give it to you the way you used to it. Where are the pianos? Hit me. Shout out to DJ Mo. baswela lutho mina ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata angiholele mandini yekuphumula ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata Jehova ngumbalisi wami angiyobaswela lutho mina ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata angiholele mandini yekuphumula yena ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata 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 Tengela letafula amigo titata mimine Ngile tibuka Zebe yam yaphupuma Zebe yam yaphupuma ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata ungilalisa emadlelweni laluhlata impela lokuhlanamusa uyangilandzela impela lokuhlanamusa uyangilandzela impela Shout out to Tabiso, my remix, Zwane, thank you so much. Charlene Mtetwa, thank you so much for staying. Yeah, big team. Well Thank you so much, guys. It's been a hectic evening. We had glitches here and there, but we overcame them. Thank you so much for everyone that put everything together. A special shout out to Dazzling Decors and Dazzling Boutique for all this glam, and Daniel Toro. Thank you for everybody that is here. You won't see them. The guys that are in the backstage, you're behind the scenes doing great things. So, am I forgetting somebody? Platinum, Kali. Thank you so much. Yo, Kali's been running around. Thank you so much. Malume, Kali B. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really, really appreciate. See you guys next time.